I'm making my taco hot dish. It's out of this world. I've got half of a white onion sizzling in my pan and I'll add a pinch of salt. I'll stir this around and I'll let my onions cook for a few minutes to soften. It's already smelling good in here. As these cook, I'll grab my jalapeno and bell pepper. These are gonna add some nice color to the dish. I'll chop these up too. I'm removing the seeds from my jalapeno. I don't want it to be too spicy. Taco hot dish is totally a Midwest thing. A hot dish is a type of casserole that's a meal in a dish. It's gotta have a protein, a starch, a veggie, and something to bind it all together, like a cream soup, or today I'm using salsa. I love these bright colors. It's already a fiesta. While these continue to cook, I'll grab my other ingredients. I've got my corn chips, which will be the crunchy topping, my mild salsa, which will hold everything together, and taco seasoning, which will add loads of flavor. Taco seasoning is heavy on the cumin, the chili powder, and onion powder, and it's gonna be so good. I usually just buy mine, but you could also make your own. I'll add this to the pan with my veggies. It's gonna start to smell even better in here. I'll stir this around because I want my spices to toast. It'll bring out more flavor. I'm smelling that chili powder. As the spices continue to toast, I'll grab my beef and corn. I love this dish. Everything just gets added to the same pan. It's so easy. I'll break this up with my spoon and brown it all over. My meat is browning nicely now. Okay, I'm ready to add some black beans. Gotta have beans. These have been drained and rinsed. And some corn. Fresh or frozen will both do. I'm using frozen. It'll thaw almost immediately when I pour it in. This will add little morsels of sweetness. I'll stir this in and allow the heat to heat up the corn and beans. Oh, look at all these fun colors. You could put this into a tortilla and eat it like a taco. But to hot dish it, I'm gonna add something to bind it all together, my salsa. I'll stir it together. I'm almost done. That was so easy. And I barely have to clean anything. That's a win. My filling is set, and now I'm going to add the crunchy topping, corn chips. Heck yeah. They're gonna be gorgeous on top, they're gonna add great crunch, and they're gonna get even more crunchy in the oven. Oh. This is my favorite excuse to buy corn chips at the store. Okay, the hard part is over. I'm gonna stick this in the oven now at 375 for about 20 minutes and let everything come together. This is gonna be the most comforting form of tacos ever. I can smell my taco hot dish. I think it's ready. Oh yeah. This looks awesome. I love the way some of the corn chips soak up the juices. They're crispy on top and a little soft on the bottom. For some colorful pops of freshness, I'm gonna finish this with some crumbled queso fresco. This will add some great salty snaps. I'll also add some sliced radishes. These will add a peppery bite, and they look like confetti on top. A few lime wedges that my guests can squeeze on themselves. This will add a hit of acidity. I love squeezing limes on my tacos. And I'll sprinkle with some chopped fresh cilantro. Okay, I don't think anybody is gonna notice if I steal a chip. This bursts with flavor.